अस्सलाम वालेकुम। कैसे हैं आप लोग? मैं तो अच्छी हूँ, शुक्र है। उम्मीद है कि आप लोग खैरियत से होंगे और एहतियात कर रहे होंगे। मैंने सुना है लाहौर में बहुत बारिश हुई। यहाँ भी बारिश हुई। फिर मुझे याद आया कि मैं बरामदे में खड़े होकर बारिश से लुत्फ अंदोज होती हूँ। फिर ये भी याद आया कि मुझे मिट्टी की सूंधी सूंधी खुशबू बहुत अच्छी लगती। फिर मुझे पकौड़े याद आए और मैंने पकौड़े बनाए अनम और अमल के लिए। खूब मजा किया। बस ख्याल आया कि काश मेरे पर होते और मैं उड़कर लाहौर पहुंच जाती और पीरों के हाथ की भिंडी खाती। लेकिन ये सब होगा इंशाल्लाह। अच्छा वक्त आएगा, हम लॉकडाउन से निकलेंगे और जब लॉकडाउन से निकलेंगे तो हम पहले से भी बेहतर इंसान होंगे। हम दूसरों का ख्याल रखना सीखेंगे, प्यार से बात करना सीखेंगे, ख्याल रखेंगे एक दूसरे का, खासतौर पर उन लोगों का जो हमारे लिए काम करते हैं। बहुत प्यार से बात करेंगे। जब मैं कॉलेज में थी तो मुझे याद है, मुझे राहत काज़मी और सायरा काज़मी का काम बहुत अच्छा लगता था। फैन थी मैं उनकी। फिर मुझे मौका मिला उनके साथ काम करने का भी। मेरा प्ले था, उसको सायरा ने डायरेक्ट किया था, साहिल। एंड वी आर फ्रेंड्स नाउ। उनके साथ बैठ के गप मारना बहुत अच्छा लगता है। और फिर उनके बच्चों को मैंने बड़े होते देखा, बेबी सिटिंग की, बातें की उनसे। फिर वो मेरे सामने ही बड़े हो गए और आज निदा और अली अपनी अपनी जगह पर बहुत मसरूफ है। अली काज़मी तो कितना खूबसूरत अदाकार बन गया है, इतना अच्छा काम कर रहा है। एंड ही इज मेड अस सो प्राउड। तो मेरा दिल किया कि वो यहीं तो है, टोरंटो में। क्या हुआ लॉकडाउन में? जूम पे बात करते हैं, गप मारते हैं। तो आज मैं आपसे मुलाकात कराऊंगी अली काज़मी की। अली, अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
Assalamualaikum, Zabir Khala, how are you?
I'm good. I'm good. We are in the same city and we haven't met.
Soche, but I think this is very conscientious of us. I think what we have stuck to the guidelines.
I
You
know. We've been so brave.
know?
अच्छा, last time I talked to you and I invited you कि आप मेरे शो पे आए लाहौर में सेट पर, और आप
हाँ,
श्रीलंका में थे उस वक्त। तो वो प्रोजेक्ट हो गया मीरा नायर के साथ जो फिल्म थी।
it's with Deepa Mehta.
अच्छा,
The
दीपा
film.
मेहता। I'm so
हाँ,
sorry, I didn't know that.
yeah, it's with Deepa Mehta. And it's my second film with her. It's my second movie with her
Oh,
as a
wow.
director. And it's really, really, really a lovely film. I'm really happy I got to complete that. Uski dubbing reh gayi hai
अच्छा।
abhi. Lekin I'm really, really happy that I got to be a part of it and I got to complete it. That took us 2 months in Sri Lanka. And wo maine khatam kar liya. It's a film called Funny Boy. And it's based on a best-selling novel by this Canadian Sri Lankan author. And I'm one of the leads in it. And
Wow.
it is
Who else is in it?
there are a lot of lovely artists from all over. Actually, there's Seema Biswas who plays my mother. There is some lovely actors from Canada and Sri Lanka. There is Nimi Harasgama who plays my wife, and she is um, of Sri Lankan origin, and she lives in England, in Sri Lanka half the time. There's Agam Darshi, who is a Canadian Punjabi actress. There is Brandon Brandon Ingram, who is this amazing theatre artist from Sri Lanka. Then there's this little kid called Arush, who is this upcoming, like he's like 8 years old, and he's this powerhouse little talent from India. So it was really great, and there were the crew was from Canada, from Sri Lanka, and India, and um, some Pakistanis in there as well. Meher Jafri.
It is so
Uh,
much fun. You know, when I did Intaha, मैं उसके गाने करने के लिए श्रीलंका गई थी. Sri Lankans are such wonderful people to work with because मेरा पूरा,
really,
you know, and it was so amazing because हमारा choreographer India से था, पाकिस्तान
है
से
ना?
हम थे, सारा हमारा crew वहाँ का था. It was so much fun, you know, to be on this wonderful table with people of different, you know, regions working together. इतना मजा आता है ना. You're so lucky. You're so
I swear, no,
lucky.
really, I mean, Samina ji, honestly, I feel like कि ऐसे मौकों पे लगता है कि I think जो आपने सालों में मेहनत की है या आर्ट्स को टाइम दिया है, I feel at those times I feel fulfilled. I feel, you know, this is what it's all about. कि and I think Sri Lanka is a very cool place for that. मैंने बहुत से लोगों को, even in Pakistan, I've told a lot of producers and directors about using it as a location because it's close to us. It's got a great climate.
It's
You
a
know, which we're
beautiful
used to.
country, and
And it's so beautiful. And the people love Pakistanis, you know, they are so welcoming to us, you know what I mean? And it's अच्छा लगा मुझे. And they were like, they treated me literally like royalty. They were like, आप Pakistani hai, you know, we love you. Like, it's so great. We watched cricket together, you know, and it was great to see like Indians and Pakistanis and Canadians and you know, Gora Kala. It didn't matter. It didn't
I
matter.
have a very special place in my heart for Sri Lanka क्योंकि पीरू की पहली film,
Absolutely.
you know, Sita Devi was shot there and we had just gotten married, so we went for our honeymoon also there. So, and his first film also, Ardish, was shot there. So his first international film was in Sri Lanka. His first film as a film actor was in Sri Lanka. So Sri Lanka has a very special place. And then in Taha songs I did there. तो कहाँ shoot किया Sri Lanka में?
We shot all over. We were there for about 2 months, and हमने हर जगह shoot किया literally. I mean, we shot in Colombo. We shot in this little sort of beach village called Vadua.
Yes,
little town.
Yes.
खूबसूरत है. कितना खूबसूरत है वो. Then Gale on the Green, Goal on the Green. मुझे नहीं है the Gale on the Green.
Oh, अच्छा, no, I have.
So Wobi, it's a little further drive from Vadua, and actually my driving scenes we both there's a lot of thinking, driving kind of stuff as well. So I got to do a lot of fun things, I must say, and it's by the way, अभी तक मैंने किसी को बताया भी नहीं this because this is so I was with you I'm like Samina ji,
Okay, we've broken the surprise, the secret.
This is true. I have told no one about this yet. It is.
Are you allowed to talk about it yet? Yeah, nahi.
Well, it's not I can. It's not to an extent I can. I'm not going to give any.
Deepa must be so much fun to work with. Deepa Mehta.
She's really something, yeah. She's really.
I met her twice. I met her twice in Sri Lanka and also in South. In Chennai, I think I met her there.
She's quite.
She's a
कैसी लगी आपको? आपको कैसी लगी?
मुझे अच्छी लगी. I liked her the way she is, you know.
है ना?
है ना?
What I love about her, I think वो बिल्कुल ही एक. She is again what I love about her, like people we've grown up with, like yourself and Pio uncle and my parents, and वो जो एक हमारी जो एक पुरानी fraternity that I've been very blessed to grow up with. And call you all my family.
Ali, I remember you as a kid. And Sarah Kazmi trying to feed you. This is my memory. And वो ज़माना था जब कर्फ्यू था, and political हालात अच्छे नहीं थे, तो हम लोग सारे एक ही एरिया में रहते थे, garden town के, And
yes, बहुत छोटा था उस वक्त.
New Garden Town. It was our house, and then it was your parents' house, and then it was Nadeem Saab's house. Farzana and Nadeem, and we were together almost every evening.
Oh my God!
And you guys were there, so I would be babysitting you a lot. And Nida.
मैंने सारी stories सुनी हुई है, and then I grew older, and all of us. most of my friends of my generation had a massive crush on me as well. We're like, Sabina Pirzada, oh my god, wow, she's she's so beautiful. And I'm so happy that we've actually. I mean, I'd love to do more stuff together, but I'm so happy that you and I actually got to work together on Motorcycle Girl.
Yeah.
That was so nice.
So अभी और काम करना है भाई, and you were very nice in Baghi.
Oh, thank you.
You, how did you prepare for that character? Because that must be so alien. I mean, you were a city boy.
Yeah, I know. I think I am a city boy, but I'm also, as you know, as you know, my family, you know me. हम खुले दिल के artist मलंग लोग हैं, as we are, you know.
Yeah.
And I have spent my life. I realized while you know sometimes characters open your mind to your own life.
Yeah.
I feel, है ना?
Yeah.
कभी कभार things that you did not know were possible or things you did not know could be possible are made possible by looking at a certain character and looking through his eyes. I didn't even imagine that I would be able to do this character. Lekin it made me think when I read Abid, who is this, you know, fast-talking गाँव का Punjabi दुकानदार guy that makes captures Kandil Baloch and many other women in the village. लेकिन I didn't think कि मैं justice कर पाऊंगा उस character के साथ. लेकिन I felt while I was reading it, I have spent my life because कभी जिंदगी में कभी किसी को judge नहीं किया उस तरह, and I've always been interested to know about other people's lives and other people's way of living and their stories and all these kind of things. I've spent a lot of time with a lot of random people in my life. I've realized दुकानदारों के साथ बड़ा बैठा हूँ, गप्पे लगाई हैं, रेस्टोरेंट में अकेले खाने खा के, ढाबों में बैठ के, you know, and I've realized दुनिया में हर जगह मैंने किया है, literally, and those sort of experiences came back to me. Plus, I had done a Punjabi movie not too long before Baghi. It's called Sardarji. It's on Netflix.
Oh, acha.
Haji, it's an Indian Punjabi movie.
Oh, I watched it because I saw it, you know, while you know browsing, and I said, "अच्छा पता नहीं कौन कौन होगा इसमें."
वो मैंने I did it as an experience, and it has two of Punjab's biggest superstars, Neeru Bajwa and Diljit Dosanjh, who is now transitioned into Bollywood as well. And it's directed by Rohit Jugraj, who's this lovely, really smart guy. तो वो एक मैंने by chance just experience of Canada में shoot हो रही थी, and I'd done Viva Boys, which is Deepa Mehta's film, which is a gangster film, which I had done. So उसके बाद I got really big in the Indian and the Indian Punjabi community as well. तो उन्होंने कहा यार आप प्लीज ये रोल करेंगे, it's of a Pakistani sort of royal princely kind of guy, and you know it'll be with Diljit, and मैंने कहा वाह, I love Diljit and you know I love his music, I'd love to work with him. So वो हो गया by chance, and I didn't realize but that film has become one of the highest grossing films in India, Punjab.
Wow, and they're making some very nice films.
बड़े मजे की मूवियां बनाते हैं.
They are making some amazing films in Punjabi. You know, I've seen some of them, and I think I love their story, the way they're telling the story, and it's just so nice. And I think shabash to the group जो ये इतनी मजे में देखी film.
Honestly, they shoot it well. They're you know they're organized. They're good paymasters. They're very professional. बड़े मजेदार लोग हैं. So I really enjoyed that. I didn't know what would come of it.
फिल्में भी बहुत मजे की हैं, you see.
और फिल्में भी बहुत मजे की.
Unique कहानियां हैं. The way they are, you know, bringing out the basic लोग जो इतने प्यारे लोग हैं पंजाब के दोनों तरफ, you know.
और उनकी कहानियां, the reason why they make it so big, I mean, their films make a lot of money is because they are catered for every kind of audience.
Yeah.
They catered to, you know.
That's what we need to do. We need to come back to cinema, which is relatable.
ये मजा है, and I felt that's what I felt about it. You know, मैं भी पहले I was like यार मैं पंजाबी मूवी कर रहा हूँ पहली बार. I can speak Punjabi well. I mean, obviously, you know, the parents. तो अब्बा भी अच्छी पंजाबी बोलते हैं, अम्मा भी बोल लेती है. And I grew up speaking it, And then in Canada also, I've done a lot of Punjabi work, you know, and met, spent a lot of time with Punjabi community. तो मैंने कहा it'll be a nice thing, and मैंने कर लिया. And उन लोगों को हमारी पंजाबी बहुत पसंद है.
And your
India, Punjab,
friends are also Punjabi speaking, you know.
so many. रूप है.
जोश के जो singers and musicians हैं, है ना, वो तुम्हारे बहुत
इसमें-
बड़े दोस्त हैं.
बिल्कुल. Roop is here, and I'm an honorary Sardar. I'm an honorary Sardar here. I have a kara that they gave me and everything, so I cherish it. And उनको हमारी पंजाबी बहुत पसंद है. उनको
अच्छा.
हमारी उर्दू तो पसंद ही है, of course, because it's so beautiful and इतनी मीठी और soft है. तो उनकी हमारी पंजाबी भी, तो उनकी पंजाबी वो कहते हैं कि वो it came from, because वो warriors थे, और फिर वो थोड़े जरा सख्त, मतलब they had to go through harsh times in that sense, like physically. तो उनकी जरा थोड़ी सी crash, थोड़ी सी जरा सख्त होती है बोली.
Oh.
तो वो कहते हैं हमारी जो पंजाबी है,
वो-
जो हम लाहौर में बोलते हैं और हमारे पंजाब में बोलते हैं,
वो
और मैं सराइकी भी जो है, they love it. वो तो कहते हैं सर आप बस उर्दू में बात करें, हमसे पंजाबी में बात बोलते रहे आप. They still love it. It was surprising.
हाँ, नहीं, हमारी जबान बहुत खूबसूरत है, चाहे वो सिंधी हो, सिंधी हो, पंजाबी हो, even
बिल्कुल.
Pashto, even some poets in Pashto are brilliant, and you know, and I
Beautiful.
love हमारे जो वो जो है ना बलोच, I love their headgears. Ali कभी
और वो बड़े
those they wear the most beautiful pugs, you know.
they do. It's वो एक art है.
Yes,
वो पग
उसको
निकली.
पहनना, you know, सिखों की पग का भी एक खास तरीका है, but हमारे बलोचों के भी पग का. I
Oh,
love this. I
Oh,
love
yeah.
headgear. मेरा बस चले तो मैं पहनूं ये. मुझे
नहीं कसम से मैंने पहनी है, but I've done some roles here in for Hollywood as well. I've played for this TV series called Rogue. No, Falling Waters. I played a NYPD cop that wears a turban.
wow.
New York Police Department cop.
लेकिन I think सबसे मुश्किल है गर्मी में. I think गर्मी में वो पग पहनना भाई शाबाश
So
है.
I think वो गर्मी से, you know, उनसे मैंने बड़ी बात की है इस बारे में. उनको
हाँ.
गर्मी से बचाती भी है. A lot of times they
हाँ,
feel
लू
it
से
kind of saves
बचाती
them from the heat.
लू और जो तपिश है
You know?
सूरज की. हाँ.
इसलिए तो बलोच भी जो पहनते हैं वो उनको it saves them a lot from heavy heat.
So where were you जब ये लॉकडाउन का और ये जहाज बंद होने शुरू हुए, तो were you here in Toronto or did you come from somewhere?
So I was in Thailand.
Weren't you there for your vacation?
No, I was actually there for Mohit's film. जो वो सारी टीम फंस गई थी.
So you were there?
Luckily, ये actually बड़ी interesting story है.
हाँ.
Is surprisingly, I had planned to go there. 2 हफ्ते की stint थी.
हाँ.
और मेरा काम मानी, सलमान शेख मानी, मुस्तफा चौधरी और हसन शहरयार यासीन शेरू,
Oh.
हम चारों का काम was linked together. तो luckily हमारे 2 हफ्ते का काम था और हम exactly वो 2 हफ्ते का काम खत्म करके, हमारा रिटर्न टिकट था 18th मार्च का, और हम अपना काम खत्म करके निकल रहे थे, and the virus had hit. When I left Canada, the virus was already बड़ी slow and steady. अब तक कुछ खास हुआ नहीं था, लॉकडाउन नहीं हुआ था, हम भी ज्यादा सीरियस नहीं ले रहे थे at the time when I left here. When I got to the airport here in Canada, it was empty, and Turkish Airlines was like, oh, you know, we'll have to check if we can actually let you fly because flights are closing. And I was like, acha, okay. Then I got a little bit scared, and I made it through. And Thailand, they were really ahead of the game. They had already started wearing masks and social distancing and blah blah blah. And वो सब तैयारी पूरी थी वहाँ पे. हमारे set पे भी, it was very professional. We had like an ambulance all the time. We had like thermometers and temperature and सब हो रहा था. It was very careful. Hand sanitizers चल रहे थे, and we were all washing our hands for 20 seconds. हम तो काफी time से फिर हम early March से कर रहे हैं. And luckily 18th March को we were flying back. The rest of the team had to continue on filming for another week or so. And unfortunately, उन्होंने से कहा भी था कि यार please, you know, leave, you know, भाग जाओ. But I think this is the last spell of the movie, and we really had to finish work as well. So I think they decided to stay on, and 3 दिन बाद वो lockdown हो गया. So we made it out. Me, Mani, Mustafa Chaudhary, and
उनको
Sheru
काफी
Merada.
मुश्किलात हुई, but thank God they are all home now.
Oh, thank God, thank God. We were in touch with them every day, you know, and we were chatting with them.
Yeah.
It's such is life, you know. So luckily, I made it back in good time, and I quarantined myself for 2 weeks. Self isolation की मैंने quarantine किया अपने आप को 2 हफ्ते के लिए.
Because you have your babies at home, and you know your wife.
I have my babies, my wife, and my mother-in-law also lives with me.
Oh,
So I'm very careful.
Oh, I thought she was traveling, and then she's here now.
She's here. So luckily, I'm you know, उनके लिए खास ख्याल है और बच्चों के लिए खास ख्याल, definitely, you know, because it hits the younger and older.
और कुछ है pipeline में? Are you waiting for lockdown to end and go back to work, or what have you done this time?
You know, nothing and everything.
मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगा when I was talking to you. You said that you want to, you know, you're going to give your babies lunch. I thought that was so special. You know, something that, you know, usually boys don't get to. You know, the fathers, they're so busy.
You know,
they don't get to do the. I think Usman Piru is the only one who's really enjoyed and bringing up Anam and Amal, but not many fathers are lucky.
I have to say कि I think luck की बात ये है that artist होने का के कुछ फायदे हैं, and I think my father enjoyed the same, much like Piru uncle. Abba used to wake us up for school, and खाना भी वही बनाते हैं. My mom can't cook, Abba can cook, you know, and I feel he was you know, very hands-on with us as well. Amma was as well, लेकिन both of them used to work and timings ऊपर नीचे. Amma was editing sometimes, you know, she wouldn't come home in the night. आपको पता है PGI में edit रात को होती है. So Abba would be the one waking us up for school and doing those things and playing and, you know, running about with us. So I think it was a no-brainer for me. So since my kids have been born, Rafe is about almost 6. He's going to be 6 this year, and Zain is going to be 2 this year. So I've been hands-on with them since the beginning. You know, I was in the delivery room with my wife, and then every day my wife works as well. So I'm with them all the time. जब भी मैं काम नहीं कर रहा था, I'm full-time dad.
वैसे कितना मजा आता है ना?
बहुत मजा है. I think जो लोग नहीं कर रहे हैं, मैं तो अपने सारे दोस्तों को समझाता हूँ, and I always try to give this message to my fans and everybody out there. Then honestly, जो dad नहीं कर रहे हैं, for some odd reason, या वो कह रहे हैं यार टाइम नहीं है यार, या अभी काम से आए फिर अभी बस छोड़ दो, leave me alone. They are missing out on such an amazing part of their children's lives, you know, and the children will remember this.
Yes, और जो bonding उस वक्त होती है ना, वो जो बॉन्डिंग आपकी होती है ना, वो सारी जिंदगी काम आता है फिर. वो जो आपने इन्वेस्ट किया होता है टाइम अपने बच्चों के साथ.
And I really feel कि मुझे पता है कि I know you and your kids, and आपके बच्चों में भी ऐसा ही है that you and Uncle Piru are interchangeable.
Exactly, because अब हम दोनों ने के पाला है उन दोनों को. And जो level of friendship Anam and Amal have with Usman is greater. And because I was born out. You know, and he was a hands-on dad. He was there.
Yeah, बिल्कुल है sir.
Yeah.
My wife is, you know, my wife has, she's an accountant, a senior accountant, and she has like, you know, proper 9 to 5, 9 to 6, you know. So on the days when I'm not working, I'm fully with the kids, you know. So yeah, I mean I think it's absolutely wonderful, yeah. जो मजा है उनके साथ, and जो वो चीजें and मेरे में बीवी के बीच में both interchangeable. कभी भी, you know, like kids feel they can come to both of us, they can sleep with both of us, they can talk to both of us, they can, you know, कभी भी कोई ये नहीं है कि अच्छा अब्बा ये नहीं कर सकते या अम्मा ये नहीं कर सकते.
Yeah,
you know, that's kind of nice.
This is so special क्योंकि ये कहना कि ये फिर इसका काम है, ये उसका काम है. It should be like that. There should be no boundaries.
Boundary नहीं होनी चाहिए, बिल्कुल नहीं होनी चाहिए.
Bringing up your kids, there should be no boundaries.
And I think Canada has also good that way, because I mean it's kind of nice. Like I think a lot of times, I think men, especially in our patriarchal society back home, unfortunately, होता ये है कि थोड़ा सा ना बॉयज तो थोड़ा ज्यादा पैम्पर किया जाता है कि अच्छा नहीं वो क्यों बर्तन धोएगा या वो क्यों चाय लेके आएगा टाइप थिंग. Whereas what I like about living in Canada, I feel कि अच्छी बात ये है कि यहाँ पे तो पहले से ही it's kind of nice that I think जो बंदे आते भी हैं यहाँ पे यूनिवर्सिटी में भी feeling little awkward कि यार इतना काम खुद करना पड़ेगा, but kind of nice is they also fit in. You don't feel weird because यार सभी कर रहे हैं, so आप भी करो. मेरे घर में तो था ही ऐसा, my mom didn't cook and my nanny didn't cook, so my grandfather and my dad were all that cook, घर का काम हम बांट के करते थे. ये राफे मियां कम
राफे, let me have a look at you.
अच्छा, okay, let me finish my interview, Allah. Okay. अच्छा, but now Zenny is waiting for you. Go get it. Go. Say hi. Say hi, Gina. Come.
Hi.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum. How are you?
Rafu. Hey. Oh, you can't
yeah,
hear me. You think.
So
now go see you, Zenny. Come up.
Oh, enjoy.
ये देखे.
इतना
24/7 situation. तो हाँ, I think बात क्या है कि मिल बांट के हम काम करते हैं. I do all the housework as well. ये भी करती है, I'm also the handyman in the house. बत्तियाँ भी खुद लगाता हूँ, चीजें भी खुद करता हूँ. I think it's really great. I think it teaches you so much. I think बच्चे भी grow up with the feeling of कि chores करने हैं और चीजें करनी है, have to work around the house.
ये बहुत जरूरी है, यही जिंदगी है, यही है. जो जिन लोगों ने खाना नहीं पकाया उन्हें कोई आइडिया नहीं है कि कितना मजा आता है. I mean, I've asked Usman says कि जब मैं काम से वापस आता हूँ, I unwind cooking करके. मेरे लिए बड़ा जरूरी है to come out of my character. I unwind. मैं अपने character को से खुदा हाफिज कह देता हूँ, अलविदा while I'm cooking and cutting my vegetables.
To be honest, I mean, ऐसा ही है. I think if I didn't see my kids coming home or deal with some chores, that need to be done, it gets your mind off the emotional things that you've been up to, the heavy emotional things that you've dealt with. I think uske baad it's cathartic to do housework, to do gardening, to even wash dishes, or even I'm fixing the lighting or doing something, and my mind is occupied, and it's lovely. You feel like you've let go of everything else, और अभी जो task करना है वही करना है. I feel that's kind of nice.
इस नई दुनिया में I think अब हमें ये पता चल गया है कि इस नई दुनिया में हमने सब कुछ करना है.
I think अच्छा ये था, to be honest, I have to say कि it's tough because you can't meet and you miss the little things, just going freely, sort of stress-free. I like to run outside a lot, and वो stress-free करना आजकल के माहौल में ज़रा मुश्किल है. And meeting your friends, or just for example, आप आई हुई हैं, I would have आराम से come and seen you. लेकिन it's kind of tough. So I think these little things have made life a little bit stressful. लेकिन I will say this कि अल्लाह की शुक्र है. I feel bad for all our frontline workers and the people in the medical profession, and even the cashiers and people that are still doing deliveries, and all the nurses, doctors, everybody out there that's trying to keep us safe. I feel really, really bad for them.
No,
and
but
I feel bad for the poor people.
I think salute and hats off and thank you to them. कि
really, really, really thank you.
उनकी हिम्मत से ये सिस्टम चल रहा है and we are safe.
कसम से.
है ना?
Because otherwise, for me, luckily, यहाँ पे my wife and I have created a good, solid system in terms of के वैसे भी हमारे लिए कोई लाइफ स्टाइल नहीं बदली, because even though she is working from home, वो एक कमरे में काम कर रही है और मैं बच्चों के साथ हूँ. My mother-in-law helps me as well, of course. खाना भी पक रहा है, चीजें भी हो रही हैं, तो वो एक everyday life हमारी वैसी कोई खास change नहीं हुई in that sense. Because when I'm home, I'm not filming. तो यही है.
So what अली अपने बारे में क्या नई बात पता चली? What have you found something new about yourself?
I guess नई बात I guess यही पता चली कि it's surprising to me how quickly the human spirit adapts to new things. I think मुझे ये surprising लगा. I didn't think I thought कि oh my god, you know, initially जो एक झटका लगा कि oh my god, lockdown हो रहा है, सब बंद हो जाएंगे, दोस्त नहीं मिल सकेंगे, studios बंद हो जाएंगे, I have all this work to do, you know, कैसे करेंगे? It's funny though कि after a while you get used to this life not being a rat race, and I think you get a lot of things accomplished. There was a lot of writing. I was writing this series, and I think I got a lot of writing accomplished, and I think I got a lot of housework accomplished. I got a lot of creative work accomplished. और बच्चों के साथ भी creative ways में मस्ती हो रही है, play हो रहा है, teaching भी हो रही है. So I think that it's funny to me. है ना? आप बताएं, isn't it strange how fast the human spirit adapts to things?
Yes, it's amazing.
If we're open to it.
Yeah.
You know?
यहाँ पे लग रहा था कि कभी रुक नहीं पाएंगे, इतनी अफरा तफरी है और we have to achieve this and that and that, है ना? And suddenly ठीक है, हम भी श्रीलंका जा रहे थे. हम उस Piru was going to meet us in Istanbul. Anam, Amal and myself, हम तीनों यहाँ से travel कर रहे थे जिस दिन लॉकडाउन हुआ है और हम जा रहे थे. And suddenly सब कुछ रुक गया. For a week we were sort of struggling to understand ये क्या हो रहा है. But you know, like after that एकदम से काम आ गया था. Total.
है ना?
हाँ, total acceptance. और वो होता है ना कि you just give in. है ना?
You give in to it.
हाँ, you just give in कि ठीक है.
And you try to make the best of it. And I think यही हो रहा है. I'm surprisingly a very routine person. I think a lot of people that meet me for the first time think I'm, you know, this out there crazy artist kind of guy. But I'm actually a very routine person. I'm the first one that wakes up in the house. I do my exercise first. बच्चों के साथ फिर उनको नाश्ता वाश्ता होता है, सब होता है. And then everybody else joins in. So my schedule has kind of been the same. I do the same. I wake up. I think having a routine in this time really helps, you know.
And what have you discovered about each other, you and your wife? Because now you're meeting with each other every day.
You know, I don't know. Some people may call me a little sappy, but my wife and I actually हम वैसे बहुत time गुजारते हैं एक साथ as well. We spend a lot of time together. We've known each other, Tavinati, since we were kids. हम 11-12 साल के थे when we met in school, and we were best friends. तो हमें आदत है एक दूसरे की and spending a lot of time with each other, to be honest. So we've known each other for more than half our lives. We've known each other for 26 years.
Wow.
You know? And we've been married for 12 of those years. And, you know, se pehle we dated for about 6.5 years. So हमने तो काफी self discovery की थी. I think this time में we discovered that, to be honest, कि हम दोनों एक दूसरे पे इतने co-dependent हैं that I think if either one of us was not there, I think we would have been a basket case. I think हम दोनों दिमाग खो के और बैठे होते. You know, I think the biggest piece has been कि हम दोनों को एक दूसरे के साथ time spend करना आता है. And I think हम दोनों के एक दूसरे के साथ बिल्कुल we know how to be with each other. हमें पता है कि कैसे टाइम गुजारते हैं साथ और मजा आता है हमें. I think that we realize that more.
It's a blessing कि अगर आप एक you know like because हम लोग इतने busy हैं हम सारे, your mother, your father, Piru, me, and you.
Absolutely.
सब अपने अपने कामों में इतने busy हैं कि हम भूल जाते हैं कि है ना, हम लोग भूल जाते हैं कि हमने अपने साथ भी वक्त गुजारना है और अपने प्यारों के साथ भी वक्त गुजारना है. And this has been an opportunity.
बिल्कुल. And I think हाँ.
And you were traveling a lot past 1 year, है ना?
बिल्कुल. And for me, so I would say कि मेरे लिए तो this has really been, I mean, it's unfortunate for the human race, and I think we really have हमने planet के साथ अच्छा नहीं किया. I think we've taken mother for granted for a while now, and for me, though, I think it's kind of good. I think the human race in totality I think needed this kind of slowdown. थोड़ा सा जरूरी था मेरे ख्याल में. ओजोन लेयर रिपेयर हो रही है, एनिमल्स और निकल रहे हैं, थोड़ा एक्सप्लोर कर रहे हैं, वेजिटेशन थोड़ी बेहतर हो रही है, the seas, the oceans are getting cleaner. So I do think कि इसमें कुछ
एयर पोल्यूशन थोड़ा सा कम हो गया है पूरी दुनिया में. स्काई क्लियर हो गई है, आप दूर तक देख सकते हैं.
I think कि
do you feel now कि हमने बहुत ज्यादा की है now that you're talking about it?
I really do. Yeah, there's something I wanted to bring up with you because I know you are a big fan of the outdoors and greenery, and so am I. And I really feel after having been fortunate enough to travel quite a bit for work and otherwise, I think that's one thing I'm missing a lot. You know, I think traveling freely is something I'm missing a lot, and my wife and the kids. हम सब ने बहुत adventure किया साथ, बहुत traveling किया, दुनिया घूमे काफी. And I think seeing quite a few places in the world, I've realized कि हमने बहुत ज्यादती की है. और सिर्फ I mean everybody in the world, दुनिया में कोई nation ऐसी नहीं है जिसने ज्यादती ना की है. सबने to an extent, some nations are better than others, that they've taken a little more care of their greenery, लेकिन and the earth is speaking out, to be honest. आप खुद बताएं, ऑस्ट्रेलिया के brush fires, Amazon rainforest के the lungs of the earth were burning for a long time, you know. ये forest fires जो हुए, उसके बाद फिर climate change कोई seriously नहीं ले रहा enough, you know. People have been talking about it, लेकिन अभी भी we're really late for climate change, you know. The temperatures on the world are changing. This last 2 years have been the hottest years in the history of the earth recorded, you know. The climate बढ़ रहा है, things are changing, vegetation is dying, animals are dying out, glaciers are melting, and I think ये virus भी जो आई है, and unfortunately, I mean it's I think a lot of it has to do with we didn't take the signs early enough, you know. शायद.
So do you think कि हम थोड़े से अक्लमंद बन के निकलेंगे इस लॉकडाउन में से, या वही चाल बेढंगी होगी हमारी?
I think कुछ लोग तो नहीं निकलेंगे अक्लमंद. I think कुछ लोग, I think the world is a very strange place, Tabinaji. I think जिन लोगों ने सीखना होता है, वो जो ओपन होते हैं, वो किसी भी कंडीशन में वो ओपन ही रहेंगे. लेकिन जो लोग क्लोज माइंडेड होते हैं, जो कि अनफॉर्चुनेटली दुनिया में बहुत है, वो आई थिंक इस टाइम को भी वो ऐसे ही ले रहे हैं कि अच्छा ठीक है, गुजर जाएगी, चलो बाहर चल के वही करेंगे जो पहले करना था. यू नो आई मीन. बट मेरा होप ये है, और आई होप कि किसी तरह जो लोग क्लोज माइंडेड भी हैं इस दुनिया में, उनको भी किसी तरह इस चीज से रियलाइजेशन हो दैट लुक, काफी हम गंद कर चुके हैं, वी हैव मेस्ड अप अ लॉट विद द वर्ल्ड, लेट्स बी काइंडर, let's be better, let's be stronger, and let's be kinder to each other and nature somehow. Let's try that, है ना?
हाँ, I think अगर आप हर दफा ये सोचें कि ये सब कुछ आपको इफेक्ट करेगा, आपके बच्चों को करेगा, and you don't take that for granted. Even जब आप बच्चों की बर्थडेज पे तोहफा खरीदते हैं, उसके बारे में भी सोचें कि आप क्या खरीद के दे रहे हैं, आप किस किस्म के खिलौने दे रहे हैं, आप उनको किताबें दे रहे हैं या नहीं दे रहे. मुझे याद है बचपन में कि अम्मी हमसे कहती थी एक दरख्त लगाओ तुम्हारी सालगिरह में. Isn't that beautiful?
That's such a lovely thing.
Wow. I stayed with me because मैंने अपने बाब में अनम और अमल, मैं जब भी कोई दरख्त, जब चीजें खरीदती हूँ तो मैं 2 खरीदती हूँ. जैसे हर दफा 2 दरख्त खरीदे जाते हैं किसी भी चीज के, you know. अगर फलदार दरख्त है तो 200, एक अनम का दरख्त होता है, एक अमल का होता है. एंड ये मेरी मामा ने मेरे अंदर डाला था कि हम हमेशा अम्मी हमेशा दरख्त उगवाती हैं. तो आई फील टू यू के बर्थडे के ऊपर बेकार का तोहफा ना दो, दरख्त दे दो भाई. फूल तो मुरझा जाएंगे, एक दरख्त दे दो. आई लव दिस आइडिया. लोग लाते हैं ना कि वो साथ में एक पौधा लाते हैं, जैसे ऑर्किड ले आए, यू नो, बजाय काट के लाए ऑर्किड ले आए, कोई दरख्त ले आए भाई. दरख्त लाओ ना, दरख्त उगाते हैं.
बहुत बहुत अच्छी बात है, कितनी अच्छी बात है सुना जी. and I try, I swear.
है ना? क्योंकि हम भूल गए हमारे बड़े क्या करते थे. हमारे बड़े ये करते थे.
बिल्कुल. मेरे नानी used to be walking in the garden, और नाना गार्डनिंग करते थे, मुझे भी आके कहते थे चाहो भाई ये देखो ये पौधा लगाओ।
हमारे हमें प्यार करना सिखाया था फूलों से।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल। एंड आई रिमेम्बर हमें यू नो एनिमल से प्यार करना, चीजों का ख्याल रखना। ये नहीं कि अच्छा कोई चूंटी आई तो जरूरी नहीं है कि उसको
नहीं
मार देना। एंड आई प्रॉमिस यू, ये मेरा वादा है कि मैं अपने बच्चों को ये जरूर सिखाता हूँ। माय एल्डर सन गार्डन सारा बैकयार्ड मैंने खुद बनाया है। I planted the grass, I planted the trees, I planted the plants, the flowers, everything. And my son,
you are a man. अब जैसे ही लॉकडाउन खत्म होने लगा, I'm going to invite you and we are going to do up the place here.
वाह,
Done
ठीक है,
डील है।
नहीं
और एक चीज और मेरे दिमाग में आ रही थी, हम एक बहुत बड़ी गलती कर रहे हैं और फिर पूरी दुनिया में उसका हमने नुकसान देखा है। हम बचपन में टॉय गन देते हैं बच्चों को। आपने नोट किया है कि जिसके हम सोचते नहीं है और बड़े होकर वो बच्चे कितना नुकसान करते हैं, कितने इनोसेंट बच्चे मारे जाते हैं इस चक्कर। Why would we हम अपने बच्चों को गन्स क्यों देते हैं एज अ गिफ्ट?
बिल्कुल सही बात है। I mean, unfortunate बात है, हम भी we grew up playing with it as well.
है ना?
लेकिन I think उस लिहाज से I will say one thing. I do think कि उससे बहुत फर्क पड़ता है on the upbringing. Let's say sorry, बीच में अम्मा के फोन आ रहा था लंबी जिंदगी में। मैं अपब्रिंगिंग पे ही आ रहा था कि I think it makes a lot of difference. For example, अगर आप if you had given Anam a gun growing up,
Never.
but because the way you and of course you wouldn't, but by example there, I know you wouldn't, but I'm giving example. Imagine the way you and Peter uncle are, and you are such caring people, and you care for the world, and you care for human life. I think कि आपके बच्चों को इफेक्ट उस तरह नहीं पड़ता. I think that it's careless for people that are growing up that don't have enough access to their parents and enough access to wisdom of adults and people to talk to. I think उनके साथ, if you notice, those are the people that go around and go on killing sprees and उससे होता है psychological issues जो है ना.
अगर आपके पेरेंट्स वायलेंट हैं, अगर आपके घर के अंदर वायलेंस है और आपने देखा है अपने माँ बाप को,
that's the point I'm trying to get at.
या मर्द ने अगर आपके बाप ने आपकी माँ की इज्जत नहीं की है, so you grow up damaged. हम ये समझते हैं. हाँ,
बिल्कुल ऐसा है. हम सोचते हैं कि थोड़ा बहुत धक्का होता धीरे वो बच्चे को नहीं समझ नहीं आएगा. But the truth is that kids are sponges and वो सब कुछ absorb कर रहे हैं. और ये बात उसको पता है in his mind, या तो he's gonna start to hate his father in some strange way in the back of his mind, or he will actually grow to think that's okay. और वो casually अपनी बीवी को भी धक्के देगा, मारेगा, because he thinks that's okay, you know.
So हमें ये सर्कल अब ये खत्म करना है. ये
बिल्कुल.
जब आप लॉकडाउन में हैं, बहुत सोचें कि बच्चे बताने से ज्यादा देखने से सीखें. अगर आप चाहते हैं कि आपके बच्चे बहुत बेहतरीन सिटीजन बने और बेहतरीन आपके बेटे वो बेटियां बने, तो आप याद रखें कि बच्चे बताने से, यानी कि देखने से, यानी जो एग्जाम्पल आप सेट करते हैं ना, उससे ज्यादा सीखते हैं.
एग्जाम्पल. एंड आई थिंक व्हाट पीपल डोंट रियलाइज इज कि वो फिजिकल एग्जाम्पल, आई थिंक जब आपके अपने बच्चे होते हैं, यू रियलाइज दैट इवन मोर that physical example of you doing something makes such a difference. Like मैं कभी छूटी होती है ना, कभी मैं उसको एक टिश्यू पेपर पे उसको क्रॉल करने देता हूँ और उसको बाहर अपने बेटे के साथ बाहर छोड़ता हूँ उसको, या कोई बग्स हो. उस दिन आई स्वेयर मैंने हमारे घर में ये भी एक बात है, हमारे घर में 2 चूहे घुसा है रात के वक्त. तो मैंने बड़ा गूगल शुगर करके ह्यूमेन ट्रैप्स ढूंढे. हर जगह मिल जाते हैं. इट्स जस्ट आवर मेंटालिटी कि हम कहते हैं यार मार दो. नहीं, चूहों को पकड़ने का भी ह्यूमेन तरीका है. आई फाउंड ह्यूमेन ट्रैप्स हाँ, you can search for humane mouse traps. वो humane traps में पकड़े, सुबह को अपने बेटे को उठाया, मैं कहा आओ बाहर चलो, उनको छोड़ गया, and we went across the street और हमने उनको फ्री करके आए हैं. उनका भी दिल है यार. I feel that मैं नहीं चाहता, I don't want कि मेरे बच्चों को ये समझे कि हाँ भाई लाइफ को मारना इजी है.
अच्छा, मेरा दिल करता है कि दुनिया के सारे जूस है ना, वो आप शट डाउन जूस. मेरा दिल करता है, ये मेरी मुहिम है कि मैं जब लॉकडाउन से निकलूंगी मैं इसके ऊपर काम करूंगी कि अब वक्त आ गया है कि ये पहले ह्यूमन जूस होते थे, ऑल द एब्रिजिनल्स द नेटिव्स जो होते थे ना, उनको वो जूस में बंद किया जाता था बाय द कॉलोनाइजर्स. उसकी जगह पे जानवरों ने ले लिया. जानवरों को मेरा दिल करता है कि हमें जूस से बंद कर देने चाहिए और इनको इन जानवरों को इनके नेचुरल हैबिटेट में भेजना चाहिए. I think world should grow up now.
I think that would be lovely.
हम रहम करेंगे तो धरती माँ मदर अर्थ हम पे रहम करेगी.
बिल्कुल ठीक है. And I swear I know, और मैं इसकी बात को इटरेट करता जाऊं कि I think it's so important for people to realize कि यार I know कि लोग सोचते हैं यार क्या बड़ी बात है, छोड़ना यार, you know, एक मेरे करने से क्या फर्क पड़ेगा, आपके करने से फर्क पड़ेगा. It's one person at a time.
Yes.
You know, अगर इस टाइम लॉकडाउन के टाइम पे अगर आप कहेंगे यार ठीक है, उसने थोड़ा सा आपके पड़ोसी ने अगर अपनी बीवी को मार लिया और आपने देख लिया या सुन लिया, आप रुके यार.
हाँ बिल्कुल. React.
I have actually stopped people on the street. Over here, I saw this couple once, and the guy was drunk. और रात में मैं मेरी बीवी खाना खा के we were walking back home, and my wife was like, क्या कर रहे हो? And I swear I couldn't take it. मैं भागा, and I ran in, and मैंने उस बंदे को गिरबान से मार के पीछे के मैंने कहा, you touch her again, and I told her, you call 911, you know. And I was like, do not do this. You are not a man for doing this.
So actually, वक्त आ गया कि हम जो citizens हैं of the world, we are universal citizens, you know, of the world.
Absolutely.
We need to react. I think we need to react against wars. We need to react against greed. We need to react against किसी तरह की भी ज्यादती. हमें चाहिए कि हम react करें.
I promise you, Ansimina, आप बिल्कुल, I could not agree with you more. Because ये एक रोज, I think what people need to understand कि set इसको ये नहीं कि आप बहुत बड़ी मुहिम नहीं चलाएंगे तो आप successful नहीं होंगे. It's a everyday thing. सड़क पे चलते हुए, काम पे, we see so much injustice happening just on our way back to work, to the market, कहीं भी, पर रास्ते में हम help नहीं करते. कोई बुरा सड़क क्रॉस कर रहा हो, किसी को हेल्प चाहिए हो या कुछ चाहिए हो, आप कर दें यार, कुछ नहीं जाएगा, you know. And I really appreciate a lot of actors and hosts and people that are very humane to the whole cause of animals and dogs and cats that need shelters and need to find home, you know. Ushna Shah, even Yasir and Ikra, Anushe, Tipu, Yorgo, they're all really, you know, I really appreciate that. And सबको मैंने देखा है हमेशा, you know, they're always doing something.
Yes, ये बड़ा ज़रूरी है. Sania Saeed and Marina Khan, ये बड़ा ज़रूरी.
बिल्कुल Sania and Marina, of course, always. I've grown up with Auntie Marina, and हम भी ये करते थे. Me and my sister used to find dogs from the street और घर ले आते थे.
जब तक दर्दमंद दिल नहीं होगा किस तरह रहेंगे, you know?
आप अपने बच्चों के नहीं सिखाएंगे ये, और आप खुद ही अगर एवरीडे माहौल में कहेंगे अच्छा ठीक है यार मैं क्या करूंगा, एक बंदा, आप एक बंदे करके तो होगा. कतरा समंदर वाली बात.
बिल्कुल. अच्छा, जब लॉकडाउन से निकलोगे इंशाल्लाह, सबसे पहले क्या करोगे?
वो खेतों में भागूंगा. honestly, I think सबसे पहले तो बाहर जाके एक लोकल कोई भी अच्छे से रेस्टोरेंट में सारे दोस्तों, फैमिली सबको बुला के प्रॉपर्ली एक बड़ा सा डिनर, you know, फेस टू फेस सबके साथ बैठ के आराम से ये किया जाए. And I think एक अच्छी सी एक कोई travel journey हो, कोई मजे की, you know, to go someplace, a nice travel vacation, जो
Yeah.
कि I'm missing,
Yeah.
है ना? आप क्या करेंगी? What do you think? What do you think?
मैं क्या करूँगी?
हाँ.
I think what I would really want to do is walk with Anam and Amal and Dalal and go and visit a friend without being scared.
Nice.
And then, of course, later go back home to Piru, to my cat.
देखिए.
Yes.
Oh, sweet. Yes. I know.
हाँ?
ऐसे ही है.
अच्छा, एक चीज
कितनी अजीब सी बात.
है ना, and I love my cat and I'm planning to also have a dog in the near future. Because I thought कि मेरी चीज़ डिस्टर्ब हो जाएगी अगर मैं एक और जानवर घर में ले आई. I'm going to talk to her. It's okay to have a dog. अच्छा, एक सवाल अली, एक सवाल. Because Rahat Kazmi and Sarah Kazmi are icons, they are legends in their own right. They have done some amazing work and I'm a great fan of both of them. दोनों से तारीफ मिली है कभी किसी काम पे?
I can proudly say yes. Serenity, you've seen me all my life. I think you and Uncle Peter have genuinely seen me grow and seen me from a baby, from taking care of me to being an adult now with my own babies.
Ali, wasn't your debut with me your first play? I have a feeling it was your first play जब PTV पे किया था.
नहीं, उससे पहले.
अच्छा, you had done something.
मैंने धूप किनारे में ऑलरेडी मैं आ चुका था. अच्छा
हाँ. But वो तो बेबी थे ना जब आए.
हाँ.
As a.
No, my second was with you.
Okay.
It was a teleplay.
Yes.
And उससे पहले I had done one with Abba and Atika Odo. जिक्र के साल का. When I was 30.
अच्छा, तो बताओ फिर तुम्हारे किस काम से दोनों खुश हुए?
अच्छा जी. Well, it's one thing and it's also sort of my journey, which I think finally gave them reason to say, I think, was that by 25, I've always loved this. I felt like it's one of those things I was born to do. I love this job. I have every day, like yourself, जब हम बात भी कर रहे थे हम सेट पे मोटरसाइकिल गली सेट पे, that I feel that अभी भी, the way you are, the way I am, I still feel it's our first day. I still feel the same passion.
अभी भी butterflies होती हैं बहुत सारी.
बिल्कुल ऐसे ही है. So I feel that I had quite a journey working from being a kid to till I was about 25. I'd done a lot of plays, a lot of TV serials, a lot of modeling, commercials, theatre stuff. Basically, Pakistan at that time, what a young person could do art-wise for the media, I had done. And I felt there were no films. I felt that उस वक्त evolution थोड़ी रुक गई थी हमारे मीडिया की for a while there. 2007, 2008 में अगर आपको याद हो, then I feel that we were getting impressed with the Star Plus and that Saat Bhi Kari Bahu Thi sort of soapy trend, which was really not us. That's not our place. That's not us. It's not part of our media and our sort of पहचान. तो मुझे अजीब सा लग रहा था. I'd never done a soap either. I didn't want to do a soap. I wanted to stick to our roots and stick to our natural plays and filming भी नहीं थी. And I've always loved film and I've wanted to do films as well. So मैंने कहा this is a good time and it was a huge risk. I was sort of at my peak and उसके आगे मतलब I think if I'd stayed, so I would have got the whole media boom and everything that happened in 2011. जो सारे channel expand हो गए मुशर्रफ के time पे and I missed out on that because in 2008 I left because I decided to, because of this reason. I was like, parents की legacy है. Also, I don't want people to say, I don't want to be 40 and someone to turn around and say, अच्छा, पेरेंट्स की वजह से ये आप यहाँ तक पहुंचे हैं, या पेरेंट्स की वजह से आपने ये काम किया है. I wanted to make my own way. I needed to make my own way, and I wanted to come out of their shadow in some ways. Bichare, both of they're good people, and they always said, "Beta, do what makes you happy." But I knew that I needed to do something on my own. So I left at 25. I came to Toronto. I went to film school. I went to drama school. Started from zero. और उन्हीं स्टूडियो में अल्लाह का शुक्र है जहाँ मैं अब in US and in Canada where I act and I get to play. उन्हीं स्टूडियो में मैंने पोचे मारे, मैंने कॉफियां ला के दिए हैं लोगों को, प्रिंटिंग की है, स्क्रिप्ट्स की, and I've started from scratch in all those places, and I said one day I'm going to work in this studio, and so far so good, Allah ka shukr hai. So I guess the journey was such that even though I missed out on that media boom in Pakistan, I was having my own journey here where, and I think that really got my parents going. और एक दिन ये एक मजे की कहानी यही है कि I told myself कि मैं 6 साल पाकिस्तान के लिए कोई काम नहीं करूँगा, because I was like, I need to establish myself here. अगर ये नहीं किया तो वो एक्टर का एक कंफर्ट जोन होता है ना, कि मैं फॉरेन पाकिस्तान जाके वापस काम कर लूंगा, तो फिर I'll lose myself. I needed to establish myself here first, in Canada and the US, and then start working back to Pakistan. तो 6 साल मैंने पाकिस्तान के लिए कोई काम नहीं किया, जो कि बहुत मुश्किल था. It's tough to check your ego in at the door. It's tough to start from zero in a thing you've been doing all your life, and you know that this is all you want to do. And there were many points where I was like, yeah, maybe I should do something else, but my wife didn't let me lose hope. And I myself was like, no, Kajal, aaj tu nahi aarega. Tu chalega aage, and you will make your parents proud someday, and leave some legacy of your own behind, that you made your own way, and you weren't just a Kazmi kid. You know what I mean? जो कि बहुत जरूरी था. And that's it. And 6-7 साल मैंने पाकिस्तान के लिए काम नहीं किया. And meanwhile, in that time, I accrued a lot of. I studied here. I went to film school, drama school. I worked in about 4 theatre plays, 15 plus Canadian and American TV series, 4 Hollywood films. And फिर जाके मैंने कहा, okay, अब I think it's time to work back in Pakistan. So after Pakistan में Jackson Heights हुआ, बागी हुआ, सहरा में सफर हुआ, and a few other good plays. तो मुझे अब्बा का फोन आया एक दिन, after my son was born, my first son was born, Rafi, and मैं फार्मेसी में उसी के लिए कुछ देने गया था, and he was in a baby beyond, वो इधर टंगा हुआ था यहाँ पे, और अब्बा का फोन आया, and अम्मा रोज फोन करती है, and dad hates talking on the phone. He does not like technology. अब्बा hates talking on the phone. उनको किताब पकड़ा दे, उनको आप face to face बात कर ले, अब्बा will talk to you for hours, but he hates talking on the phone. अम्मा रोज फोन करती है. एक दिन अब्बा का फोन आया, अब्बा के नंबर से. मैंने कहा this is strange. मैं कहा dad, is everything okay? Are you all right? सब ठीक है. And he said, बेटा, and he was teary-eyed already. He was already, his voice was full. And I was like, Dad, are you okay? He said, बेटा, something very strange happened to me today. मैं नापा से पढ़ा के निकला, तो 15-20 लड़के लड़कियां मेरे पास आए. हमने कहा सर एक सेकंड सर, आपने एक बात तो बताई नहीं, आप अली काज़मी के फादर हैं. आपने सर पहले क्यों नहीं बताया? सर प्लीज उनका भाई तो बहुत प्यार दीजिएगा सर, हम तो उनके इतने बड़े फैन हैं सर, प्लीज उनको बताइएगा कि हम तो उनकी चीजें देखते रहते हैं, रोज देखते हैं, वी लव वाचिंग हिज वर्क. फिर अगले दिन अब्बा निकोल गए, where he used to teach English literature. It's an A-level institute. वहां के बाद कोई 20-25 लड़के लड़कियां आए, उन्होंने कहा सर, उस वक्त सरदार जी रिलीज हो चुकी थी, बीबर बॉयज रिलीज हो चुकी थी, और बागी वाज द हिट, and Jackson Heights had become a hit already, and blah blah. तो उन्होंने कहा सर, we love बागी, oh my god, please give him a love. आपने बताया क्यों नहीं that you are Ali Kazmi's father, sir? And Abba was teary-eyed, and he said, beta, I'm really proud of you. I never thought, I didn't know what you were going to do with your life. I was very worried for you. And, you've done something for yourself, and you've made us so proud, and you made your own way. And I didn't know what to say. I'm seldom at a loss for words, but I did not know what to say. I stood there in the pharmacy crying with my father on the phone and my son hanging in the baby bjorn. And
You're blessed.
You're
blessed because I think हम सब चाहते हैं कि हमारे वालिदैन हमारे खासतौर पे हमारा बाप हमें ये कहे, है ना?
बहुत that moment I will never forget.
हम चाहते हैं कि हमारी जिंदगी में या उनकी जिंदगी में हम ये सुन लें.
I swear. And I never thought, I swear, मैं जिंदगी भर और अभी भी होता है मेरे साथ, and I'm proud of it. I have never been, I'm a very happy person, in general. And मैं कभी ऐसा नहीं है, no regrets type thing. I've done what I had to do. I will continue to do what I feel is right. Some no regrets kind of person. I felt कि शायद ये moment कभी ना आए, because, and I was still happy. I was really happy with being कि मैं अपने parents का बच्चा हूँ. I'm proud of the fact that they are amazing people and superstars, and और अभी भी होता है मेरे साथ कि oh my god,
big shoes to fill.
Yeah. Big shoes to fill, absolutely. And I'm really happy about it. मुझे कभी गम नहीं हुआ इस बात का कि I have big shoes to fill. I'm happy to fill. I like my जिंदगी भर काम करता रहूँगा and I'll do my own thing. लेकिन they're such good people. That's what I love about them. More than parents, more than superstars, anything. वो बहुत अच्छे लोग हैं दोनों. And I love them dearly.
They're adorable.
You know them well. They really are cuties. God bless them. Allah उनकी जिंदगी दे. And उन्होंने कभी भी हम पे कोई प्रेशर नहीं डाला उस तरह. कभी फोर्स नहीं किया. कभी उस तरह ये नहीं कहा कि you must do this or you must become a superstar. Fulfill the legacy. उन्होंने कभी ये नहीं कहा. उन्होंने कहा just do what you want to do, but just promise me that you're going to study it and you're going to be the best at it, the best that you can do. And I live by that. And I'm happy to have made them proud. And अभी तक मुझे लोग कहते हैं कि अच्छा भी हाँ, you're Rahat Farah Khan's son. Oh my God, your father is so handsome. What an actor. And your mother, my God, what a prolific woman. What a director. अभी भी होता है. और अभी भी लोग कहते हैं कि your father is more handsome than you are. And I was like, yeah, sure. Yes, he is. I don't ever compete with my dad. Dad is dad, right? Lekin, I'm happy to say this, that which they acknowledge and which my fans acknowledge, which I want to give them so much love and support for loving little old me, and, not loving me just because of my parents.
I am also extremely proud of you because I've seen your journey, I've seen how you've done it, and you've done it very well. You made us so proud, and you are blossoming. That is the most wonderful thing is that with every character we see another side, which is so amazing. So this is amazing. I think you're in a very
that means a lot.
And I wish you all the best. I wish you happiness. I wish you great journey ahead, more success. And
so that I have to tell you this, कि मजा ये आया. I feel जिसके लिए जिस बात के मैं secretly ये मेरी अंदर की. You always do this. I don't know how you do this. I don't know what magic you have. I promised myself कि मैं ज़्यादा emotional नहीं होगा. And I swear मैंने promise किया कि मैं नहीं होगा ज़्यादा emotional, because I know you will bring something out of me. And I don't know how you do this. It's unbelievable.
ये तो lockdown days का interview है ना, but you still owe me another one.
I do. I promise you. लेकिन you have a gift. You have a gift with people. You make people open up so much. And I swear, I'm good. The other secret I have to tell you is that there's a little, the small child actor inside me, which is always alive, is always वो इतना खुश होता है sometimes, because when I started work back in Pakistan 4 years ago with Jackson Heights, was sort of my comeback, which was not supposed to be a comeback. It was just supposed to be a good play and a test run. Finally working back in Pakistan. Let's see how it goes. And I always wanted to work with Mehreen, and I worked with Amna Sheikh and Numan Ijaz, and it was brilliant. It was just a dream come true. Jackson ke baad, what was strange was after Jackson, Sehna Safar, Baaqi, Badnaam, these few plays that were of my recent years, I felt there were so many people that did not know who Sana was. Because of social media and because of the amount of channels and because of, sort of information being out there and being your work kind of filling your own space. अगर आपने दिल से कोई अच्छा काम किया है थोड़ा बहुत, So that fills its own space. And I did not realize that. I thought, शायद कभी ना हो, शायद कभी recognition ना मिले, लेकिन I'll do what I love, करता रहूँगा, until I die. But the little actor inside me got really happy was that world over, and now there are fans, so many fans, that when I recently put a picture up with my parents, so many people were shocked. You are their son? No way. Like we are, which is kind of nice. Because what was surprising was कि ये मेरे fan है. They did not even know whose son I was. And that's, for me, एक छोटी सी जीत है.
ये बड़ा जरूरी है. ये बड़ा जरूरी है.
ये बहुत जरूरी है.
I think children always want to come out of the shadow and because वो उनका thunder है ना, वो उनकी limelight है. आपको बनानी है. I understand that absolutely.
So it's kind of nice. वो एक secret, एक खुशी होती है कि what? Yes, God bless the parents, and no, I'm not unhappy about.
That's a great achievement. Bravo.
But I think it's really nice. वो उसका मजा है, उसका अपना मजा है. You know what? It's kind of nice that you have people that appreciate you for you.
Yeah. So thank you, my dear. बहुत मजा आया. जीते रहो, and hopefully when you come out, we are able to meet each other as we promised.
Yes.
And I see you on my set in Lahore.
I think inshallah हम hopefully Toronto में ही social distance करके at least मैं आपकी बाहर steps पे आके बैठ जाऊँगा.
बिल्कुल ठीक है. पहले तो आप आओ ना. पहले you should come.
I will come.
And then we will sort of slowly bring in your family.
हाँ, बिल्कुल. At least मतलब social distancing के उसमें ही रख के, I'll come and sit far and sit on the steps. At least थोड़ी मुलाकात ही होगी.
Much needed. Much needed. You take
lots of love, Srinandi. Thank you.
Good luck and all the best for the future plans you have. God bless.
Thank you. And I hope that you, me, and Uncle Piru work in a project together. We'll create something, inshallah.
Absolutely. Absolutely. We must do some theatre, some film together.
Yes. Zaruri.
Take care, Mary.
Love you.
God bless.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Take care of yourself. My love to everybody. The family.
Love to your family, to everyone at home. Big hug to the kids and pyar to your wife.
Khuda Hafiz.